More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds will stand with thee.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in my videos what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. So the videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you like the videos, just subscribe to the channel, and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
For parents not to be in the child's way or try to protect the child in every instance of his life, don't want him to get hurt, don't want him to fall and scrape his knees. That's the problem with over-parenting. You can do too much. You have to let the young kids get out here and get a cut on their, scrape on their arm or something, so that they learn, okay? If I fall, it's definitely gonna hurt, but if parents don't allow them to get out here and experience life, every time they get hurt, we're gonna just over-comfort them, which makes them, to me, makes them not experience the pain like they're supposed to, You would think about back in the day when man said, you cut yourself, okay, it'll heal. You hear you crying and they look, you're looking at them and they don't give you no sympathy. You're like, wow, that's a man. You take the pain and move on. But today a lot of parenting is trying to feel all the pain for the child and not let the child feel no pain, which is a disservice to the child. Not letting them get the full emotions of being a young person so that they can grow from the failure, from pain, and learn that, okay, if I do that again, I'll get hurt. So it's important. That's one of my biggest pet peeves, and it comes from my military background. A lot of people don't really feel that it's necessary, but I think there needs to be a very structured lifestyle. From when you get up out of the bed, you make your bed before you go anywhere. And then you go brush your teeth, wash your face. There's a structure to the lifestyle that they have to have in order for them to grow. So that would be my biggest advice for any parent. Make sure there's structure in the child's life.
Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too.
Most of the young kids that went into the military, they lacked confidence. So we had to instill that confidence in them by showing them that they could learn things and develop with it and master it. So once they did that, they had a lot of confidence in themselves, but in life skills, they still were lacking confidence about who they were. There were times when we would give them projects and they had to lead, squad leader, taking this project on and getting certain things accomplished. And sometimes they would look at us and say, could you put somebody else in charge? But we said, no, it's your job, because everybody had a turn at leading some project that we were giving them. And that's where you noticed where they didn't have a lot of confidence in themselves or lacked, the ability to see that they could accomplish whatever task we were giving them. So for me, confidence is one of the main things that a lot of the kids lack. Empty threats to your kids. You say something, that's going to happen, and it doesn't. So now they're learning that there's no consequences for things that they do. There has to be consequences. Some people They don't want to, use spanking, thinking that that's wrong. Okay, but there has to be some kind of consequence. You have to take something away from them that they enjoy. So if they did something wrong, let's say you're going to take away their phone or take away their iPad so that they can't have it for a week. And they'll understand, well, I can't do that no more because I'll lose this. So those empty threats can be detrimental in a child's life. But a child, he needs structure in order to really come out on top in life. They have to have a structure. If you don't give them a structure, they'll be weak in a lot of areas so far as for their individual responsibilities, they'll be lacking. They won't follow through with things because there's never was structure. So you have a structured lifestyle for that child, and when you say something, you mean it. So this way, they know there's consequences in life, which a lot of these young kids don't think there is right now. But they need to understand that.
Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds will stand with thee.